Vandy Vape takes squonking a step further with the Vandy Vape Pulse X kit. This upgrade to the original Pulse is a welcome one, believe me. Already a Pulse fan and just want the full specs breakdown? Slide on over to VapeWild by peeking the link in the top right corner. Okay, my opinion? This thing is awesome. Review over. No, but seriously, Vandy Vape has done it again with the Pulse X kit. They've made some minor tweaks to the original design, but it's just enough to warrant adding this to your collection. First, the mod. The Pulse X pushes the watt limit up to 90 watts, which is 10 more than the original. It has added more small features like screen brightness and timeout settings. Also comes in slightly bigger at 82mm by 56mm by 28mm. Now let's be real, we already knew this thing was going to be a fantastic piece of gear, but what about the RDA? The Vandy Vape Pulse X RDA has a 24mm base and has a 2mm deep juice well. What's really interesting is the stacked posts on the deck, which allow you to build in an X-like formation, hence the X. This gives the coils the perfect position to get amazing airflow, which means huge clouds, and my good golly, these clouds are magnificent. The standard top cap has 6 airflow holes on each side with a stepped adjustable airflow that allows you to utilize 3 or 6 holes on each side. It also comes with a frosted top cap that has 12 angled airflow holes on each side that aren't adjustable. While I like the ability to adjust my airflow, I found myself liking the airflow of the frosted cap. Plus, I can chain vape on it without it getting warm. I'm all for that. Look, I said it at the top of the review and it bears repeating. This thing is awesome. Get it at VapeWild today. I was thinking maybe I can take them all home and use the boxes to make a Vandy Vape fort and then fill it with clouds. The Vandy Vape cloud fort. Bender, get on that.